Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up automated responses in Facebook Messenger. If you want to respond to customers quickly, even when you're not available right away, automated responses in Facebook Messenger can be a great tool. They help set expectations, acknowledge incoming messages instantly, and keep communication feeling professional and organized. To begin, open Meta Business Suite. This is where you manage your business activity across Facebook and Messenger, including messages, content, and settings. Make sure you're in the correct business account and on the right page before continuing, so the automation is connected to the right inbox. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click Inbox. This area brings all of your messages together in one place, making it easier to manage conversations from your business page. If you handle a lot of customer inquiries, this is also where you'll find several messaging tools designed to save time. At the top of the inbox screen, click Automations. This section is specifically for setting up message-based tools such as instant replies and other automatic responses. It's the control center for how your business communicates when someone sends a message. From here, click Auto Reply, or if you see the option to create a new automation, click Create Automation instead. Depending on your version of Meta Business Suite, the wording may look slightly different, but both options will take you to the setup area for automated messaging. Next, enter a sample message and customize it to fit your business. This is the message people will receive automatically, so keep it clear, friendly, and helpful. A good automated response usually thanks the person for reaching out, lets them know their message has been received, and gives a general idea of when they can expect a reply. Try to keep the tone aligned with your brand, whether that's formal, warm, or casual. It's also a good idea to read the message out loud once before saving it, just to make sure it sounds natural. When you're happy with the wording, click Save Changes. This applies your automated response so it can begin working for your Messenger conversations. And that's it. Your automated response is now set up in Facebook Messenger. After saving, you may want to send a quick test message from another account to confirm everything is working as expected and that the message appears exactly the way you want.